Hello, everyone, again. Hope you are doing very well. Now, I will cover with you some parts of literature. Okay, 2 weeks ago we started a new unit, uh, which is called the People and the Planet. Okay, it talks about how we protect our nature. Okay, and all the resources, natural resources like water, air. Okay, uh, in this context, uh, I guess we have covered this part. Okay, the launch text. Just a minute. Okay, yeah. This is the launch text, which is rethinking the wild. This is the part, okay, that was covered 2 weeks ago. But I guess we still have to finish the summary for this. I will send you the copy of this as soon as possible, inshallah. Okay, so this is the summary for the launch text. Okay. Uh, so, moving forward, okay, uh, directly to this, yeah, to this part from Silent Spring. So, this is the text we are about to cover, inshallah, during the coming sessions of literature. Uh, Before that, I want to discuss some questions with you. Okay. Uh, the first question is like here. Let me say, what causes environmental damage? This is a very, yeah, a key question. Yeah, what causes environmental damage? In what kinds of ways does environmental damage affect people as well as the environment? This is here another question. Okay. And what have we learned from about environmental damage in recent sorry in recent years? Answers vary. Okay, we have open answers for such questions. All right. Guys, again, here the part of concept vocabulary is important. Don't forget to check the meaning of the meanings of these words one by one. Then just have a look here again about the author's brief life. Let me say, sorry. Yeah, moving back here. uh, from paragraph 2, uh, I want you to highlight these lines. All right, after I send you the copy, inshallah, very soon. Okay. I will discuss these questions also later with you. uh, yes, yeah. So these 2 pages from the first part of this unit, after the launch text, I mean. Uh, so again, I will resend some of these annotations back again for some of you, and I will send again here the summary. Okay, so we should have written this part before, I don't know, but I guess many of you have written or have solved this question. Okay, the summary of this excerpt or this text from sorry again, from Silent spring. Okay, so after this part, we have here, as usual, we do this part, analyze the text. We focus on analyzing how some phrases are being analyzed. Then we move to the this part, analyze craft and structure, and how we use imagery and language that includes images. Okay, so the point here is that when writers use imagery, okay, when a writer uses imagery uh, to bring to bring his or her writing to life, okay, it is good for readers to feel sometimes, uh, and to sound, taste, or smell maybe the subjects being discussed. All right, so uh, a writer choice of words, okay, or specific words or phrases, let me say, contributes to memorable imagery. Okay, imagine that you are reading something, but no images are shown. You don't feel uh, some images or some descriptions of some situations and words and phrases. Okay, uh, the reading will be boring, I guess. Okay, that's why writers create images and try to approach or to reach our senses, okay, by using imagination. Okay, after this part, sorry, okay, we move to to discuss the meanings of this vocabulary. Okay, bright, puzzled, stillness, melodies, stricken, deserted, etc. Okay, so these are the concept vocabulary here again in this excerpt. Okay, I will send you inshallah again the answers for this part, the practice part. Okay, this one inshallah, and along with these blanks here solved very soon. Yeah, and that's it. And by moving to the next part, which is the Nobel speech. Nobel speech here is presented by the former United States Vice President Al Gore. Okay, he was born in 1948. He was practically born into politics. His father was a senator, and after Gore served tour of duty in Vietnam, he went on to serve in both houses of Congress before becoming vice president in 1993. As a congressman, Gore became active in environmental issues. He has written several books about the dangers of climate change, and his campaign to educate the public about climate change is the subject of An Inconvenient Truth, which won the Academy Award for Best Documentary Feature in 2007. Yeah. Again, try to search, and look up the meanings of these words: uh, crisis, pollution, urgency, universal, illusion, environment. Okay, the good point and thing about this text is that it is available on YouTube. The complete speech is available there, so you can watch it again and again. Okay, and enjoy uh, some facts Al Gore has mentioned there. Okay, Uh, After you finish, inshallah, next week I will be discussing with you some annotations and some comments, some highlighted lines, let me say. Uh, the text is a little bit long, all right, but it takes you only 25 minutes, I guess, if you read it, okay, or if you watch it on YouTube, okay. After you finish reading, try to move to page 381 and check your comprehension, okay, and do the first four questions, okay, one, two, three, and four, okay, only. Forget about the summary so far. I will be moving back to the summary with you, inshallah, later on when we finish uh, the the excerpt completely, okay, after we understand uh, all what is going on here, okay. So that's it for today, okay. I tried to be very brief. Again, the whole speech, the Nobel speech, I mean, which is on page 373, is available on YouTube, okay. The whole thing is available there. Thank you so much for watching.